Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing out there? Just a quick one. When you're at the pool, right? And this is me, right? I don't like going into the swimming pool at resorts because to me they just feel a little unclean. Even though it's sanitized and it's no proper hygiene is around. But like for instance, I just saw some plasters floating on the top of the water in the swimming pool that's in front of me. I'm like, I was gonna go for a swim, but now it's in them plasters. I can't swim in there. In fact, I didn't want to put down my drink too much. I don't even want to touch the sides too much. Yeah, look, I got the sides right there. I don't want to touch them. Yeah, because to me, it's unsanitized in here now. I need to go and get some domestos or some bleach or something and start cleaning down some areas. Yeah, I might call the lifeguard and say, "Yo, fish out them plasters out of the fucking water, mate. What you doing?" Because right about now, I ain't feeling good. Anyway, on further good news, we've just had a sprinkling of showers, which has caused everybody to run away from the beating of the sun,
which is hilarious.
And so they vacated lots of seats, and so me and my wife have moved to the second lane, or rather the second line in the lane near to the pool. We were sitting a little further back, only because that's where we were sitting originally. Kind of like it there, get a lot of sunshine. But apparently there's a hierarchy. The closer you sit to the pool, the more prestigious, or the more suntan you might want to get, or the more anyway.
Basically, if you sorry. Basically, it's for those that come at 6 in the morning because they're just.
I don't want to get into all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't want to start shouting out about 6 o'clock in the morning, because I went to places before previously, and I know that certain people that are not too far from me were getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning to put their towels down. And telling me to get out of my bed at 3 o'clock in the morning to go and put towels down on friggin'. Yeah, crazy. Listen, I'm sleeping, man. I ain't got time for that. I'll pay the lifeguard, yo, brother. See, $10 here. Make sure my towel's good when I get up in the morning. Alright?
Actually, it's 4 a.m.
Yeah, she's lying because it was 3 a.m. by my clock, yeah. It might have been 4 a.m. in her head, but 3 a.m. in my clock. Right?
We needed to get...
Yeah, she just exposed herself live as one of those people that come and put their towels down and not even there. And I believe that the last time we was in Jamaica,
oh my God,
her and her sister nearly fought somebody on the beach because they had removed, how dare they? They removed their towels they hadn't sat on for the last 6 hours. They removed the towels, and then when they decided that they wanted to sit on them on the sunbed, her and her sister rounded up on the woman and was gonna kick up Kinnett's in. But luckily I came along and said, babe, there's no need for that. This is a 7-star building.
That's a liar. That's a lie. The truth is our towels were on the bed and the woman decided to come and sit on our towels. We'd only left it for 5 minutes actually. So get it right.
You know how it is. When you're on holiday, 5 minutes could feel like 5 hours, yeah. Or 5 hours could feel like a whole week. Who do you believe out of me and her? At the end of the day, who's really retained the sun the best out of me and her?
Well, to be fair, he did have an advantage over me, did he not?
What are you trying to say?
He had an advantage over me. Did he not? So...
Babe, anyway, look, I need a drink. Look, let's get...
Go get me a drink,
anyway,
please.
Listen, guys and girls. Sun's back out. It's time for some drinky poos. So I'll see you when I see you after the lockdown is over.
On the beaches of the world.
No, they won't see me at the beaches because they'll still be locked down.
Oh, yeah.
But, after this, we'll go to the Gambia. So we'll catch you in the Gambia, alright? Until lockdown is over, stay safe, and enjoy the life you're living. And don't forget to get some more toilet rolls. I saw they was dropping them by air over in Wood Green and in Lewisham and in Barnet. And there's some various locations where they're dropping them onto the floor by air. Thank you to the RAF for that. and so there's not a pandemic for toilet paper anymore. Anyway,
Apparently, in Aldi, there's no toilet paper. Can you believe it? What do they need it? Why do you need so much toilet paper?
fried toilet paper is quite nice, I believe. Anyway, gotta go. Peace and hair grease. Later.